Alright, in this next video we're going to continue on from where we left off. So we had this first screw in there, and Adabox provides you with a screwdriver that should help in this task of trying to screw this in. Looks like it helped a little bit. And just push it into place. Spinny spin, spin. Alright, I'm not going to tighten it all the way until the second screw and nut installed. And that's usually why, because they're not perfectly aligned. A little bit of concern. Does that mean that I'm putting this on the wrong side? If it's interfering with that? I don't know. We will find out. I'm sure we will find out. Alright, so then I'm sure if you wanted to really tighten these, you could use a wrench, but I'm not going to do that because I might have to take these off later on. And I doubt you need that kind of precision with something like this, so alright. We got one of these done. Same thing will be done for the other one. So I'm gonna see you in the next video where we'll go on to the next bit, because this is just a repeat.